how to customize your theme on the Ring app. So first open the Ring app if you haven't already. Then you should land on a screen something like this. Here you'll see 3 lines on the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Then you'll see an option called display, which is located in the account category. So simply tap on it, and from here you can set up the theme as you would like it to be. So it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.